ACT is the best-selling CRM and marketing automation application, and it has been a trusted brand for over 3 decades. As you know by now, ACT allows you to quickly tap into rich contact details, efficiently manage your calendar and sales opportunities, and send targeted email campaigns from the office or on the road. Let's say that after much review, you've decided that you want control over the installation and the database maintenance at your location. And that's okay to do. If you don't already have the ACT installation file, you can download it by going to act.com/downloads, and that will forward you to the appropriate page. Now let's scroll down and choose the download file that we want. I'm going to start by using the Windows client. So let's just click the download button, and that download will begin. Once the download is finished, let's just click this file to open it, and this will cause the self-extractor to begin unpacking that file. Once that executable is finished unpacking, just click Yes on the user account control screen, and now you should see this ACT installation screen. So we can close our browser window, and we're going to click Install ACT. Pretty soon after you start, a message will show up that says your machine has a reboot pending, so let's just click Yes to reboot. After the reboot, ACT will continue installation. You may see a message that says Install Visual C++. If you get this message, just click Yes to install that program as well. Eventually, you'll reach a screen that asks you for your regional version. Choose the region where you live and click Next, and then read and accept the license agreement and click Accept. Finally, you can choose whether you're going to use a typical or a custom installation. Custom installation just lets you select where you want ACT and SQL Server to be installed. Most of the time, you're just going to use typical and click Next. This will begin the installation of SQL Server Express and ACT. This step will take a few minutes, and this white screen will remain displayed. Please be patient because the installation is taking place behind the scenes here. After the installation is finished, just click the Finish button, and this will wrap up the installation. Notice you should now see a new ACT shortcut on your desktop. And so now we're ready to register and activate ACT.